In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the OpenArt network error with several practical solutions that you can try on Windows and Chrome. If OpenArt is not loading, image generation keeps failing, or you're seeing a network error even though your internet appears to be working, these steps can help identify whether the problem is caused by cached browser files, extensions, VPN settings, firewall filtering, or corrupted DNS data. If this guide helps you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, try a nuclear browser refresh. Open the OpenArt AI web application in your browser and make sure you're on the page where the network error appears. Now, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. If that shortcut does not work in your browser, press Ctrl, Shift, and R together instead. This forces the browser to bypass its stored cache and download the latest version of the OpenArt page again. A normal refresh may continue loading outdated files, while a hard refresh can replace those files with a fresh page structure. After the refresh finishes, wait a few seconds, sign in again if necessary, and test the generation page. Try creating a small image or opening an existing project to check whether the network error has disappeared. If the error is still there, the next step is to isolate browser extensions and cached data. In Google Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a new Incognito window. Go to the official OpenArt website and sign in using your primary account credentials. Then open the same generation page that was showing the error. If OpenArt works correctly in incognito mode, that usually indicates that an extension or cached browser file is interfering with the website. Close the incognito window, return to your regular Chrome window, and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. In the clear browsing data window, set the time range to all time. Select cached images and files, and if needed, select cookies and other site data as well. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so make sure you know your login details first. Click Clear Data, restart Chrome, open OpenArt again, and test the feature. You can also check your extensions individually. Open the Chrome menu, select extensions, and temporarily disable extensions that can inspect or block website traffic. This includes ad blockers such as uBlock Origin or AdBlock Plus, privacy tools, script blockers, download managers, and security extensions. You do not necessarily need to uninstall anything. Simply switch the extensions off temporarily, refresh OpenArt, and test the generation page. If the network error disappears, re-enable the extensions one at a time until you find the one causing the conflict. Once you identify it, you can whitelist OpenArt or adjust that extension's settings instead of leaving every extension disabled. The next solution is to eliminate security and network filtering. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and reload OpenArt. VPNs can route your traffic through a location or server that OpenArt cannot reach properly, and some services may restrict certain data streams or API requests from particular IP addresses. After disabling the VPN, close and reopen the OpenArt tab, sign in again if required, and try generating content. If the website works without the VPN, you can test another VPN server later or contact the VPN provider for help. Also temporarily disable any ad blockers or traffic filtering tools you may be using. Some OpenArt features need to communicate with separate services while images are being generated, and an aggressive blocker can mistakenly stop those requests. Refresh the generation page after disabling the tools and check whether the preview, queue, or download process works normally. For security, only disable protection temporarily while testing and turn everything back on after you finish. If you use a third-party firewall or security application, check whether it has blocked Chrome or OpenArt. Do not permanently lower your security settings. Instead, use a trusted exception or allow rule only when you understand what is being blocked. Now let's flush your local DNS. DNS helps your computer find the correct servers for websites. If the local DNS cache contains outdated or corrupted routing information, OpenArt may fail to connect even when other websites work normally. To clear it on Windows, open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator if that option is available. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. Windows should display a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Close the command prompt, restart your browser, and try opening OpenArt again. If flushing DNS does not solve the problem, you can also restart your router and computer. Wait a few moments after unplugging the router, reconnect it, and allow the connection to fully return before testing OpenArt. If possible, compare your regular network with a mobile hotspot. If OpenArt works on the hotspot but not on your Wi-Fi connection, the issue may involve your router, DNS provider, network firewall, or internet service provider. In that situation, switching to a reliable public DNS provider or contacting your internet provider may help, but make sure you understand your network settings before changing them. Finally, check whether OpenArt itself is experiencing an outage. If the website fails in multiple browsers, on different devices, and on different networks, the issue may be on OpenArt's side rather than your computer. Look for official OpenArt status updates or announcements and wait for the service to recover before repeatedly changing your settings. Also verify that you are using the official OpenArt website and that your account is active. To recap, start with Ctrl F5 or Ctrl Shift R for a hard refresh. Then test OpenArt in Chrome Incognito mode. Clear your cache if Incognito works. Disable extensions and VPNs temporarily. Check security filtering and flush your DNS with the ipconfig/flushdns command. If necessary, restart your router, test another network, and check for an OpenArt service outage. And that's how to troubleshoot the OpenArt network error. If this guide fixed the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone having trouble loading OpenArt or generating images. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.